Hey people, in this video I'm going to be taking my dad's favourite tobacco, casting it in resin and making it into a fountain pen for Father's Day. Take a look. Well, that turned out absolutely lovely, but I should have wore a mask when sanding, as I seem to have picked up a little nicotine addiction. These patches will help, hopefully. So my dad loved his present, of course, and I'm really happy about how it turned out. Could have done a better job with the casting, perhaps, as there were a few too many bubbles, but that's something that will improve with practice, perhaps. I'm also considering buying a pressure pot, as that can really help hide the bubbles, but that's an expensive bit of kit, so it's going to have to wait. So thanks for watching, everybody. Please be sure to leave a comment below if you like this video, and subscribe and ring the notification bell if you want to see more videos like this. And at the risk of sounding like an after-school special, I have to say, smoking is not cool, and it's extremely bad for you and those around you. Oh, and stay in school, kids. This seemed like a good idea. Ow. This is going to be the sticker. Ooh, well, that's not too bad.